Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I had a request to do a review on this. It is the Craftsman Auto Assist Bluetooth code reader, basically. Use it on your phone, tablet, blah, 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 whatever you can plug into it. Get the app through the Apple Store or Google Play. Monitor, diagnose, repair, and maintain. Now it gives a list of all the things it can do. It seems to do more than the standalone unit. Probably because all the calculation is happening on your device. And let's see what it comes with. I haven't opened this yet. Let's see. That's easy enough to lose. Vehicle compatibility. Find your port. If you don't know where your port is, you probably shouldn't be playing with it. But yeah. I'm going to go ahead and download the app to this thing. And I have a 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan and a 2016 Chevy Traverse we're going to plug this into. So, let's get started. Alright, let's go into the Play Store here and search for Craftsman. Craftsman building, blah, blah, blah. My Q garage, maybe. Nope. Bluetooth, radio, auto assist. There we go. Auto assist. Install. Come on. Pending. Isn't that as dramatic as I'd like. Cancel. Install. Cancel. Install. There we go. For some reason it didn't like my Wi-Fi. Alright, installing. We're installing. We're installing. There we go. Alright, let's go out to the car and check it out. Alright, first we're going to try it in the Grand Caravan. The port is right under here. Plug it in. Turn on the vehicle. Find out. Alright. Oh, we gotta create an account. Alright. I shall do that. Get back. Alright, so apparently you have to scan the back of this thing. Install the Craftsman Auto Assist sensor in your OBD2 port. Turn engine on and F around and find out. Searching, we're searching. Name your vehicle. Okay. Tap to scan. Okay. Checking. I'll do half and half. How about that? Submit. That is common on this thing. The gas cap sucks. I've already replaced it, and the engine light is not on for it, but there we go. P0440. General Evap system failure. May not pass emissions test. Where I live, there is none. They're willy-nilly here in the state. How common is this code new? Well, I just put gas in. Every time I put gas in, take the cap off, put it back on, have to have it exactly, because it's real easy on this vehicle to not put the cap on correctly. And yeah, that's about it on this. Clear engine light, sure. Enter your car's mileage. Alright, 8438. Okay, successfully updated mileage. Alright, we're checking. I'll say sure, why not? Dismiss. Oh, let me see. Timeline. Okay, it'll show the maintenance schedule. Oh yeah, 300,000 miles. Yeah, pretty much do everything. Current mileage, no data, blah blah blah. Okay. You put in the mileage, it'll show what it certainly suggests. Okay. Toolbox, live data, cool. Indicator library, dash light description. Okay. Live data. Well, I don't have the car on, so. Supported gauges. Let's see what this thing supports. Okay, RPM, speed, all that stuff. Okay. Let me see. Nope. Okay, exit out of here. Okay. Yeah, indicator library. Let's see. Okay. If you're ever curious what all the indicators on your vehicle says, and you don't have the book, you don't know how to use Google, there you go. Airbag and all that stuff, everything in your vehicle. There we go. Okay. Let's check out the Traverse. Alright, our Traverse right here. Driver's side. The port is right under here. So let's plug it up and check it out. Alright, plugged in. Let's see, add a vehicle. Add a vehicle. Create vehicle. There we go. And using new auto assist sensor, using existing auto assist sensor. Searching. We're searching. There we go. Create vehicle. LT. Yes. Submit. Okay, checking. Please enter your car's mileage. $66173. Okay, successfully updated. There we go. Okay, no errors detected. No engine light is on, of course. This is our good vehicle. Anyway, let's see what we got. Browse tools. No. Trying to sell me. Active recalls. Oh, we could check for recalls. Okay. 0 recalls. Where's my VIN? Ready to put it in? Okay. Indicator library, same thing as the Caravan. Find a mechanic, scan, no errors, timeline. Oops. Come on. Move that. Timeline. Okay. Put in the mileage. Okay, check fluid, blah, blah, blah. Cabin air filter, did that a few times already. Because my wife don't like sneaky stuff. Pressure and all that stuff. Yes, yes, yes. A little bit, I gotta check brake fluid and all that. Yes. Toolbox. Live data. What is show it live data? Let's see. So finding supported gauges. Okay, vehicle speed, engine RPM, calculated load, oxygen sensor, voltage. Alright. Exit out of there. Alright, so it doesn't do ABS, which kind of sucks. But for the price that you pay for it, it's pretty good. I like it. Alright, well that's the Craftsman Auto Assist code reader, basically. So yeah, sign up for it. You know, you don't have to give your phone number. I didn't give my phone number and it was just fine. I'm going to have to keep it in here because this thing is tiny. And I know I will lose it. Anyway, put the instructions back in. But, hey, it's a lot better than the old scanner that I have. And when this is out of date, to get better ones for cheaper, I'll get that. Until then, this is pretty good. Doesn't do everything the huge scanners do, but for the DIYer, it's perfect. It'll tell you what's going on. But thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.